Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add the video GIF to Shopify homepage. Let's get started. In order to do that, head over to your themes and customize your actual plan. Now, in that way, it will open the Shopify editor. Now, as you can see, once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see your homepage. So, for example, for me, I want to add a specific part of this one. So for example, I have this image banner. Now I want to actually change this image banner to a video GIF. So what I can do is I can click on the select image and then click on add images. And in under my pictures, I have this GIFs right here that I have available. So just click on this one to open it. So as you can see, the file has been uploaded. So I'll just head over and click on done. And then in just a few seconds, it will reflect the actual GIF that I have uploaded right here. So this is my GIF. As you can see, it is moving, but this is considered as an image. So what I can do next is I can actually just save that and it will finish the progress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.